Hey, what is going on YouTube? Alex here and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be accessorizing my 2019 Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro with the Rhino-Rack Batwing awning. So stick around and let's do this together. Okay, so I've gone ahead and did the unboxing, and basically what I have here is the awning itself, which is already pre-assembled, and the mounting hardware and the bracket and the instruction manual. Since I have the Prinsu cab rack, I'm going to try to mount this awning directly onto it without using the bracket, so hopefully I can get away with it. I'd like to add some support to the awning where it sticks out towards the bed of the truck. And I found this old bracket at my workplace. And this was used for a portable computer system, and you can mount monitors and keyboards and whatnot to it. And it looks like it will work. So let me take this apart, and hopefully it will serve our purpose. So wish me luck on this one. Okay, so I was able to mount the awning directly onto the Prinsu roof rack. And next step now is to install the vertical bars that would support the back end of this awning. And as mentioned, I'll be using the old brackets that I found at work. And fortunately, it's the same exact size as the crossbars on my bed rack, which are by Billy Bars. So let me go ahead and do that. I managed to complete the installation of the supporting brackets in the back, but what I would like to do now is take it apart so I can paint it first, and after painting I'll be able to show you how I'm mounting the Batwing awning onto the bed rack. Alright, so after letting it dry overnight, we are all done with the painting, and this is the result. It's not perfect, but I'm pretty happy with the way it's turned out, and now we're ready to mount this onto the truck. So I'm now going to assemble or mount our brackets, and I'm going to start with the T-bolts and just follow along. Alright, so now that I have the T-bolts on, I'm just gonna slide these bars, line up the T-bolts on these holes here that I've pre-drilled. We'll do the same on both, and we'll take it from there. I basically have a washer, lock washer, and the nut. Now we'll install our L brackets. Okay, so this is what it looks like from the back after mounting. This is how the front looks like after fastening the L brackets. So there you have it. I think the installation went well, and I just wanted to show you in this video that you can actually install a Batwing awning onto a regular pickup truck without a cab cover, because typically you'd see this type of installation on either SUVs or crossovers or pickup trucks with the cab covers. But yeah, it can be done. I know that everybody has different setups. I happen to have the Billy bars for my bed rack and the Prinsu rack for the rooftop. So I had to rig the brackets a little bit, but it worked out well. And as you can see, it's holding pretty well. It's very sturdy, and I can't wait to take out the truck on the trails to see how well it holds. Yeah, so I hope that this installation video was helpful to you guys. If you have any questions or comments, please put them down on the comment section below, and I'll make sure that we chat about it. So please hit like, subscribe, and share this video, and stay tuned for more. And speaking of tuning in, for my next video, I'll be doing a demo on how to open and close this awning with my rooftop tent installed. So stay tuned for that. And until then, but for now, if you can be anything, you might as well be nice.